Today I want to talk about the most common trademark rejection reason. I'm Angela Langlotz, trademark and copyright attorney, and I'm going to spend the next 4 minutes talking about the most common trademark rejection. And if you like this video, go ahead, smash the like button, share it around if you think other people might find it useful. So I get this question from people a lot. They ring me up on the phone and they say, hey, I got a trademark rejection. Can you help me? And I say, give me the serial number and I will check it out. And the most common reason for getting your trademark rejected is the 2D rejection. What is that? It's because your trademark is confusingly similar to another trademark already registered in the trademark database. So the trademark examiner says, I'm sorry, but your mark is confusingly similar. You tell me why not. And very often when I go in and I look, it is obvious to me that whoever filed the trademark application, sometimes it's the applicant themselves, sometimes it's LegalZoom. LegalZoom's abysmal at this. They will file the application, even though a search of the record indicates that there's somebody else using a similar trademark for related goods. And this is where people get this wrong. They think, oh, as long as my trademark isn't exactly the same as something on the record, then I'm cool, I'm fine, I'll just go ahead and file it. And that's not true. If your trademark is so close to someone else's trademark for goods that are related, okay, they don't have to be identical goods and it doesn't have to be the identical mark. If the goods are related and the marks are similar, you will likely get a rejection from the trademark examiner. And here's the thing, you're not going to find out about that rejection until about 3 or 4 months have passed, because that's how long it takes to get in front of the trademark examiner and get the application examined. In the meantime, you are merrily investing in this trademark. You're putting up web pages and buying domain names and doing all sorts of other things to invest in the mark, and then you get the bad news. Oh, your mark's rejected. Then you call me and I give you even worse news. I'm sorry, this isn't salvageable, this application. We have to start over and you have to pick a new brand because you have no hope of registering this trademark. So you see what happens is they look at the related goods, okay? So if your mark is similar, we go and we look at the related goods. What are the related goods? Well, let's say that they are goods that are normally seen in the same channels of trade, or sometimes it's called stream of commerce, as your goods, right? So say your goods are cosmetics. A lot of people are starting cosmetics companies. And let's say there is a similar mark for sunglasses. Well, because cosmetics and sunglasses are generally seen in the same channels of trade, that is going to be a problem for you, and your mark is likely to be, your application is likely to be rejected, okay? So we have to go in, we have to look at the similarity of the marks, and we have to look at whether or not the goods that are in the trademark registration, which we're comparing to your goods, we have to look at those goods and see if they are related. If they are, it is highly unlikely that you are going to get a similar mark registered. So just be aware of that. Somebody just called me yesterday and I had to give them the bad news. I hate giving people the bad news, but they always like to hear the truth, so I give them the truth. Sorry if it's bad news, but people have to stop doing this because you're just wasting money. We cannot make substantial changes to a trademark application that has already been filed. So you are just standing on the front porch and lighting $100 bills on fire when you do this, folks. So please, get somebody who knows what they're doing, get somebody who knows what the related goods to yours are, or at least is aware of the issue and can ask you questions about your goods if they don't know about your goods, and who can solve this problem for you before you have the problem. So this is a problem that we like to solve before we file the application, not after we get the rejection. I'm Angela Langlotz. If you like this video, smash the like button. Go to YouTube, just go to Trademark Doctor, search that in YouTube, and you can subscribe to my channel. I put out a video every weekday. You can also find me online at TrademarkDoctor.net and at Facebook.com/TrademarkDoctor. If you have trademark and copyright law questions, please drop them in the comments. I will answer them on a future live video.